Welcome to 4041 Antique Sterling Court. This fully renovated two-story home is located in Grand Estates, a gated community in the Lone Mountain neighborhood of Las Vegas. At just under 5,000 square feet, with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a basement, this home offers ample space, convenience, and comfort. In the backyard, lounge in the lagoon pool or raised spa, grill at the trellis-covered outdoor kitchen, or relax in the expansive shaded patio. Upstairs, the master suite overlooks the backyard from a covered balcony. Separated from the bedroom by a two-sided fireplace, the marble-floored hers and his bathroom includes a jacuzzi tub, an oversized rainfall shower with a bench, and granite vanities. Residents of Grand Estates are just minutes away from Lone Mountain Regional Park and Lone Mountain Discovery Park, featuring a roller hockey rink, equestrian center, basketball and tennis courts, and picnic areas. From here, you can hike to the top of Lone Mountain to enjoy stunning views of the valley. Grand Estates is only 15 minutes from the natural beauty of the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, as well as shopping, dining, and entertainment at downtown Summerlin, Boca Park, and Tivoli Village.